Hello students, today we will learn quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is one which used to solve quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. The under root sign b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation, and depending upon the value of this discriminant we have three different types of roots of quadratic equation. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we have two roots of x which are equal and same. And if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then the formula becomes minus b plus minus under root greater than 0. It means that the value of discriminant will be positive and the roots will be real and different. So we write two roots, x is equal to minus b plus under root greater than 0 by 2a, and x is equal to minus b minus under root greater than 0 over 2a. Let's take an example. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, which is greater than 0, and b is equal to 2 and a is equal to 1. Then the x will becomes minus 2 plus under root 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2 plus under root 2 square divided by 2. Here the square of 2 will cancel out with the under root sign, and we are left with minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Minus 2 plus 2 gives us 0, and 0 divided by 2 will be equals to 0, which is the first root of x. Now to find the second root, x will be equals to minus 2 minus under root 4 divided by 2. By doing the same steps, minus 2 minus under root 2 square divided by 2, again square will cancel out the square root sign, and we are left with minus 2 divided by 2, and the answer will be minus and minus 2 add up, which gives us minus 4 divided by 2, and on simple division we get minus 2, which is the second root of x. Here we clearly see that 0 and minus 2 are real numbers, but they are different. So our assumption that y square minus 4ac greater than 0 gives two roots which are real and different. Now we heading towards the third condition, where b square minus 4ac less than 0, then we will get negative number under root the sign, and we will get imaginary roots. For this we take an example. B is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, and c is equal to 1. By putting into the quadratic formula we get minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 divided by 2. On solving this formula we get minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 divided by 2. Here under root minus 3 can be written as under root minus 1 into under root 3, where under root minus 1 is equal to iota. So writing the formula into modified form we get minus 1 plus minus iota under root 3 by 2. So clearly we get imaginary numbers. Here iota represents imaginary numbers. So we get two imaginary numbers, and both are different from each other. We write the two roots for x, minus 1 plus under root 3 iota divided by 2, and x is equal to minus 1 minus iota under root 3 by 2. These are two roots which are imaginary and different. Let's solve with example. X square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0, quadratic equation. By using quadratic formula we get A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1. By putting into the formula minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. On simplification we get minus 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 4 divided by 2. 16 minus 4 gives us 12, which is the value of discriminant, and it is greater than 0. So the roots we will get after solving this equation are two real numbers which are different. So let's solve it. Minus 4 plus minus under root 12 divided by 2 we will get x square is equal to x is equal to minus 4 plus minus under root 4 cross 3 by 2, and minus 4 plus minus under root 4 and under root 3. As we know that two numbers multiplying under a same root can be written as two different multiple numbers under the different root signs. So 4 becomes 2 square and its square cancel out with square root, and we are left with minus 4 plus minus 2 under root 3 divided by 2. So we get two roots. One is minus 4 plus 2 under root 3 divided by 2. On solving it we get 2 common, minus 2 plus under root 3 divided by 2. 2 will cancel out by 2 we have taken common, and then we are left with one root which is equal to x minus 2 plus under root 3 divided by 2. First root of quadratic equation. Now for second root we solve the equation x is equal to minus 4 minus 2 under root 4 under root 3 divided by 2. Doing the same steps, we write 4 as 2 square under the root sign, which cancel out with under root sign, and we are left with minus 4 minus 2 under root 3 divided by 2. Again we take 2 as common, which is cancelled out by 2, which is dividing the whole equation, and we are left with minus 2 minus under root 3, which is the second root of the quadratic equation. So these are the two roots